Welcome to Advanced Construction Videos, where we show you how to tackle rocketry building techniques and more. On our website, we sell kits, motors, building supplies, and electronics. So come and learn, shop, build, and fly when you visit us at apogeerockets.com.
This is Future Tim talking to you. In the upcoming video, you're going to see me attach the retro rocket fairings here on the S4B stage. And what I'm telling you now is to don't do this yet. We need to paint the rocket first before we add them, because when you go to mask things off, there's so much detail around these fairings and you have to mask black around them that leaving them off will make the masking job so much more easy. So what we'll do is we'll paint these separately, and then after we have painted the rocket, we'll come back and then glue them on, like you'll see in the video. You can attach these over the top of the paint using super glue, and it will stick. They're not structural, so they could pop off, but it's not likely, at least not from normal handling. You'd have to really pry them to pop it off, to break the paint. They're not as strong as what you'll see in the video, but it will work, and it makes painting so much easier. So go ahead and leave them off. We want the surface as smooth as we can, just to make things go quicker and easier, and that's what I want for you. Okay, so we're ready to start gluing some of these details on. These long ones right here, these are called the retro motors, and they're going to go on the flat areas here on the rocket. They're going to go right here, and there's 4 of those, and those we'll glue on right now. And then there's these other ones. These small triangular shaped pieces are called the ullage motors, and they go here on the thin band right before the inner stage. Now some of them get glued in the black areas, so we're going to go ahead and leave them off for right now because they'll be painted and then glued on after we have painted the black areas, because it makes the masking so much easier to paint them before they're put on the rocket. And it's the same with the RCS motors, which are these silver ones right here. So these will be painted silver, and we'll glue those on later. So for these, they get centered right in the flat areas, and we're just going to use super glue to glue them on. Okay, at this point we can go ahead and fill the gaps underneath these tunnels and then get this ready to be painted. So we'll primer it and then we'll paint it white and black. I've got a little gap underneath this tunnel right here, and I want to fill it because when I go to paint it, the paint's going to go right underneath and you're going to tell that it doesn't look quite right. So for that I'm going to use the fill and finish. You could also use the FixIt epoxy clay. The technique of applying it is pretty much the same. This is not an adhesive, where the epoxy clay is an adhesive, so if you want to go with an adhesive, use the epoxy clay. But I just wanted to show you how to use this, just in case you want to try it. This is water-based, which is really nice, so you can use it with your hands. I've thinned this out previously, and it's probably a little bit too thin right now, but it will work. It'll just take longer to dry for the water to evaporate out. Now you need to get like a straight edge to kind of wedge it underneath there and kind of force it under. You can either use a razor blade like that. I found this X-Acto blade at a hobby store. It's got a flat tip on it, which makes it really nice, like a little spatula. That's really what you need, is a little spatula. You're just going to take it and just smush it underneath, and then wipe off any excess. So it's pretty easy to apply. This is, like I said, is a little bit too runny. It's a little bit too runny. There, just like that. So I'll go ahead and fill them up, and we'll get this thing ready to paint. So go ahead and also sand down anything that you think needs to be sanded. Sand your edges, and then we're going to put just gray primer on it, and then we're going to put white down before we start masking it off.